Audi India has launched the S5 Sportback facelift in the country, priced at 79,06,000 rupees ex-showroom India. The German auto giant brings the model to the country as a completely built unit, and the performance sedan competes against the BMW M340i and the Mercedes-AMG C43 in the segment. Power on the S5 Sportback comes from the 3-litre turbocharged petrol engine tuned to produce 349 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of peak torque. The motor is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and power is sent to all four wheels via the signature Quattro all-wheel drive system. The model can reach speeds from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds, while the top speed is electronically limited to 250 km per hour. The S5 Sportback promises a practical performance package with usable seats and a massive 480-litre boot capacity. Deliveries for the new S5 Sportback will begin later this month. Benelli has launched the BS6 compliant TRK 502X middleweight adventure tourer in India. Prices for the new Benelli TRK 502X BS6 now start at 5,19,000 rupees ex-showroom India, which makes it 31,000 rupees cheaper than the BS4 counterpart. Do note the prices are introductory and will increase over time. The TRK continues to draw the same design and powertrain. The bike uses the 499cc twin-cylinder engine that develops 47 brake horsepower and 46 Nm of peak torque. The motor is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. There are subtle revisions and new features on the motorcycle, including backlit switchgear, aluminium frame knuckle guards, new handlebar grips and redesigned mirrors for better visibility. The instrument console has been tweaked as well on the BS6 version. Bookings for the new Benelli TRK 502X are open for a token amount of 10,000 rupees with deliveries available immediately. In a recent regulatory filing, Tata Motors has announced that Mark Listosella, who was supposed to join the company as its new Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director, will not be joining the company. The automaker said that Listosella will not be taking the leadership position at Tata Motors as previously announced, since he is not able to relocate to India for personal reasons at this point of time. The company's current CEO and Managing Director, Gunter Butschek, will continue to serve his position till the 30th of June 2021. Butschek served as the MD and CEO at Tata Motors for the past 5 years and was an integral part of the company's transformation journey. Mark Listosella seemed like the right replacement for Butschek, given his experience as the president and CEO of Fuso Truck and Bus Corporation and head of Daimler Trucks in Asia. He also served as the MD and CEO of Daimler India. Tata Motors is yet to announce a new successor for Butschek for India.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.